Yo, we back here at another food review, but this time I'm doing a little different. I'm doing a food hack with a honey bun, anomaly to go McDouble. Yeah, I said it, anomaly to go honey bun McDouble. I got two McDouble patties, mayo, and pickles, and I also ordered fries and nuggets, and two pairs of honey buns. That's right, two. Look how it goes on there, so nice and pretty and sweet with the glaze. Oh man, let me tell you, I had to tackle that thing because it was bunch. It was loaded, sweet, and good, and extra sticky, even sticking to the paper, y'all. I'm not playing. If you want a good meal, go try it. 9.5 out of 10. I'm to go McDouble. Yeah.